Hey y'all, you're watching Portie's Garage. The plan with this Falcon has always been an engine swap, but in the meantime I kind of wanted to see if I could get this old 170 straight six working. It's very seized up, as I found, and cost me a lot of time, a couple tools.
All right, so much for that idea.
And some various fluids and stuff. End of the story, could not get this unseized. She's locked up tighter than Fort Knox. However, I did get lucky. I was browsing the old Facebook market search, and I think I struck gold. On this 76 Granada, $750 for the whole thing. We use the engine, the rear end, it has an automatic transmission. I don't really want to use it, we'll see. Bunch of front suspension parts, who knows what else we'll be able to use on it. And everything else, hopefully I can, take it apart and make a little bit of money on the side for it. So what we're gonna do today, I'm just gonna give this a real quick cleaning. It is pretty nasty on the inside and spent a couple years in the woods, so we've got all sorts of moths and colonies of growth on it. So let's get this off, see what we're really dealing with, and maybe I won't get so dirty taking it apart. Let's check it out. Here is our 302. I think back then it was making like 100 and something horsepower, so hoping to do a little bit of work on it, maybe some new heads, cam, something like that, just to squeeze a couple little more ponies out of there. And you can really tell this has been sitting in the woods for a long time underneath a nice pine grove. The interior is in shockingly good condition. I mean, other than being slightly torn apart. There is one little rip in the seat right there, but other than that, it's looking really good. So we'll clean this out, get a bunch of old garbage and parts to get rid of, so we'll see what we're dealing with there. I don't think the vinyl roof is salvageable. And here's kind of what we're dealing with rust-wise. Those vinyl roofs just like to cause all sorts of mayhem. More moss, more pine needles, more rust. You find yourself in a situation where you don't have your lock tumbler. It's not going to focus, but basically there's a little slit in here. If I can find it. There we go. And look at that. Anyone need any oven parts? Got a couple. Yeah, this is all gotta go. And she's rusty. It's too bad because this could have been a cool rig back then. Maybe a little too far gone to save. Last interesting thing, this has 1, 2, 3, 4 different kind of wheels. So if anything, we'll be able to do some test fitment on the Falcon, see what's fitting best. All this trash has to go eventually, so might as well get rid of it now. Found the piece that is missing out of the grill. Put this in the keep pile. Pretty far from going to town, but it's less crap to fall into my driveway. A little bit of the same, but for this lovely interior. And just like that, basically factory fresh. Now that the interior isn't so deplorable, we can start taking a look at the outside. It's that moss I'm talking all over everything. Here, I'll show you the keeper pile real quick. We've got steering column shrouds, kick plate, some lenses, bracket that I don't know what it does. I think a battery hold down, a vent. I think this is gonna be trash too, honestly. It's clearly broken. But yeah, let's bust the power washer out and see what we can do to this baby. That'll do it today. If you want to see any more of this adventure of converting a Falcon into a Granada, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll catch you next time.